In the construction industry, getting the boys to participate is a really challenging task. Daniel was engaging, he got our team motivated. I'd recommend it to anyone in the building industry. My biggest takeaway was getting the monkeys off my back, actually identifying what they are and being able to take proactive steps to make things happen. Daniel was engaging, he got our team motivated. And doing that in the construction industry, getting the boys to participate is a really challenging task. I'd recommend it to anyone in the building industry.
I really enjoyed it. I thought it was very, very engaging. I would definitely recommend it to other companies. Mental health is a massive thing, especially in this industry, and definitely trying to identify what is happening and what you're feeling and how you can best tackle that is a huge thing. I think it's very highly recommended to any people in this industry.
My biggest takeaway, I was definitely able to identify one of the monkeys that I had. I think the presenter was very good. It was very engaging. It was funny at times as well. There's a bit of comedy in there, which was good, sort of lighten the room with the mood, and very interactive, which I enjoyed. Everyone was sort of getting involved. Even some of the people that are sort of a bit standoffish sometimes definitely got involved, which was good. I would definitely recommend this to other companies. I think there was definitely a lot of takeaways that a lot of different industries can sort of relate with, especially in our industry, civil, the on-site and the office side. It sort of applied to everything, so I think no matter what it is, definitely recommend.
What I learned is we need to work as a team because that's the way that the job gets well done. The presenter gives us tools to manage our monkeys and our travels. Connecting with another people, that's the most valuable for me because you can see that behind the job and the task and everyone's problems or whatever, we are all persons and we're dealing with things. Definitely recommend it because sometimes the environment at work is with the pressure and many things happening, and this kind of activities you can be more relaxed and enjoy.